Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a new Gmail account on your iPhone. First, open the Gmail app from the App Store. If you don't have it installed, download and open it. If you've linked your Gmail on app already, then tap on Profile at top right corner. Tap on Add another account, then choose Gmail, tap Continue. Tap on Create Account, then choose As per your wish. For this demo, I'm choosing for my personal use. Now, enter your first and last name and tap Next. Choose your date of birth and gender, then Next. Next, select a Gmail address or create your own, then set a strong password and tap Next. Review your account details, agree to Google's terms and privacy policy, and wait a few seconds while your account is created. And that's it. Your new Gmail account is now ready to use on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.